Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Cotsoco massage gun. It comes with 30 different speed or levels, comes with a touch screen, comes with 6 different heads, and it is USB rechargeable, so pretty much everything what we need these days. So I'm going to take it out of the box and check everything and then let you know what I think about that. So here's the content inside, and as we can see it comes with this nice transportation storage or carry case. So here's the massage gun itself. I would say it's nice, sturdy build, looks really solid, also somehow really beautiful. Then here we have the different heads. So this is pretty much standard, everything which we can expect from massage gun. Let's see how hard this is. Yeah, this rather on the hard side. This is definitely not super soft. But it's really nice to see that we get all the heads for all the different applications. And so it comes also with this standard USB-C charging cable. So we can charge it with this cable. We can use also any other USB-C cable from any USB outlet. This is really nice. And then we get 2 instructions manual. One is the trigger points therapy. Yeah, I think this is really nice. So if you're a beginner, this could definitely help to show you what you can do with this thing, where you can treat and how you can treat. And on the other thing, of course, the detailed instructions manual about the device itself, so you can see everything. So we are plugging it here to charge it. We can see the charge level here, digital, very nice. But like with all other powerful devices, we cannot use it while it's being charged. But you don't have to be worried, it lasts up to 6 hours with one full charge. And after it's fully charged, you can add one of these heads. Make sure that the rubber seal is properly attached here. We get even 2 replacement seals, which is really nice. I've never seen that before. That's really helpful in case something happens, but they look really solid. I'm not worried about that. So what we have to do, we just push it inside. There's no notch or so we don't have to align it. We just have to push it here inside, and it looks like it has really nice solid fit. And after it's fully charged, we can check on the basic operation. You can see there is nothing to see. We have to turn it on here with this switch, and then we can push here short, and it shows us the speed and the charge. And so we can increase the speed here, and we can also long press to adjust it very fast. That's really helpful. Also, of course, to go down to the level 1, and to stop we have to push here. So really nice, easy to use sensor button, always from the 0 to the 1 with this button here, everything else with the plus and the minus. And if you want to stop fast, you can even stop it at the level 30. That's also something which is really nice. So let's turn it on, use it on level 1. Of course, it's rather a weak impact, but maybe as a beginner that would be enough to just have a little bit of relaxation in some areas. Now let's increase to like a medium level, let's say 15. How is it like that? Yeah, still really comfortable, and it's doing something. You can feel that, and it's still really quiet. You can hear that. Do you hear that? Yeah, pretty quiet. So let's increase to maximum level. We are on 30, and it's still bearable. Sometimes there is a little bit of a noise here, a little bit, but it's still working pretty smooth. I can feel the impact, but it's not unbearable. Really nice to move, really nice, balanced, I would say. Yeah, this is pretty cool, I would say, for this price range. I mean, this thing is listed at the moment for around $50. It looks actually much more expensive. It really has a nice, decent look. I mean, it's not like a super small thing. There are these really mini massage guns, but I would say if you want to go for a full-size massage gun with a lot of impact, something for you. And if you're interested I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.